Hey guys, good morning. Today, we're going to the bukid.
The bukid.
We're going to assist my father because I didn't have any class, and right now we're waiting for a jeepney to pass because we're going to ride a jeepney going there, and right now we're still waiting for a jeepney.
In the bukid part 2.
So that is where the jeepney will come from. So right now we're still waiting, and it's gonna take a couple of minutes. So
2,000 years later.
Nilibuan na lang ipaabot ka rin. Tara, yulat mo niya ako na rin. Talaga, magsulot ka rin ano. Talaga tayo sa jeep ba? Hulat yun.
A few moments later.
here comes the jeepney. Yay! Tara oh.
Kag-record.
Tara, record naman ko. Nagkalay mo kasi. Yan.
Ay, ang bago na isip ako. Pangalan ko pala. Isa. Ano gani bayan niyo? Bisa nung kanikan. Pangalan ng matindi ng bata sa iyo. Sabot na sa taas, Burkya.
A few inches later.
So we're here, guys, and
It was really rough.
first we're going to send this sort of lunch for my nephew. So ito ko magatubang ha. Hoy, ito ko magatubang. Isa pang yatod ang food. This is Lumbia Central School. I think. Yeah, Lumbia Central School. Bunch of kids.
Ano yan? Reason nga kwan ay 7-up niya. Unsa ka
Si lemon lang, royal.
Royal.
Tawag saging nay. Ayo. Banana. Saan ko yan? Bal. Unom ka bo? Unom tapos 5, 4 ani para ano tal.
Sige,
There's a vacation right now at school, at the school, and I've noticed something. I heard the kids singing like "Lord, I offer you my life" instead of "Lord." They changed it to "Teacher." It's really, it's really funny. At the end, I heard them, "Teacher, I offer you my life." It's really, I wanna play. Hello, "Teacher, I offer you my life." Yung pagkalasan, yun naman siya, "Sir, we offer you our life." Hindi sila, talaga? Hindi sila, "We offer you our life." Hindi ka ba, ba't ito? Hindi na sa ano, hindi sa ano. Sa crazy sacrifice, "Sir, I offer you our life." Anyway, nag-like padulong ko sa bukid and then see you guys later.
Name Jeff.